All right, boys and girls, we're back with Solderstick. A lot of folks told me that these things don't work. Now, this is the thickest wire I would ever recommend using. I think this is 4 gauge. You can see a lot of folks are saying, oh, you know, the solder doesn't melt completely. You can still see the ring. The solder is, you can still see the ring, yes. That's a ring of solder. You can see the wire through it. It's been soldered. You can see where the solder ran both directions along that wire. Now, I didn't like bend and twist this wire together. I married them together, twisted them, and then slid this over and soldered it. It's doing really well. Let's see. Let's hang some stuff from it, maybe. We'll go that bad boy. Yeah. No. Let's get that right there so we can look at it. I know you want to look at it. Would you look at it? Okay. Oh, we're gonna need a few of these things anyway. Here's a big boy. And stuff that right on in there. Bang. That's a pretty decent little solder joint there. All right. What else can we add? Let's just put a hook on there. And then, what else can we hang on there? Hold up, just wait, all right? Let's see, let's put this on the hook. Is this gonna break the solder joint? Nope, sure isn't. Okay, we're gonna need another one. Put another hook on there. What's it gonna take to break this thing? Better get all my junk out of the way. That's a lot of weight. Let me get this on there somehow. Dude. Not much more I could fit through there. That's what she said. All right, well, can I get another drill in there maybe? Is it gonna break? I don't know why I hung those gloves there. Can I get it running for the, just keep it running. There we go, come on. For the video, dang it, for the gram! For the gram! Oh, the battery's dead. Ha, it sucks. Dude, the solder joint's in there. There's the solder joint. Can you see it? Now tell me that didn't solder that. I mean, oh, look, the drill's going again. Look at that. That's holding so well. See these yellow portions here? Some are different colors. You got yellow, blue, and red. That's like almost like a crimp. That's what they would call a crimp. There's your shrink wrap, there's your solder. Click that link. Solderstick connectors, my #1 seller of 2025. Why? Because it's a good product. I've made a lot of videos on it. Why? Because it's a good product. They use it for aviation, the military, our road service crews. Most mechanics are rocking these. And so do I. So don't be the guy that uses tape and use Solderstick instead. Thanks for watching, y'all.